Hi Dewinta!
Hi Adinda!
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. It has been a long time since the last time we met, right?
Right. How's your eat?
It was going pretty well, but this past few days or weeks, I think, I got a pretty bad stomach ache because I consume a lot of butter and eggs.
Oh, you consume a lot of butter and eggs. Are you mean Kue Lapis?
Yes, it is. Kue Lapis is pretty bad for my stomach. My stomach can't handle it, because it contains a lot of grease.
But I think Kue Lapis is not that bad for our healthy.
I think yes, it is because sweet food can make us happy, right? But I just searched in an article that lapis contains a lot of fat, which is bad for our health. The fat is from eggs and butter. Also contains a lot of calories, so it is not diet friendly, especially for someone who is trying to lose weight. After it, I gained some weight and I'm trying to lose weight, and apparently lapis is not diet friendly, so I have to stay away from lapis because it contains about 224 calories per serving, which is super high. Butter, fat, and grease are bad for our health because it can raise total blood cholesterol by raising the harmful LDL or low density lipoprotein.
Wow, that's a lot of information.
Yeah, I know.
But I think enjoying a slice of Kue Lapis once in a while shouldn't be a problem, right?
Yes, it shouldn't be, but some people have diabetes and it is so bad for their health, and I don't know, but lapis is a must thing to eat, right?
Yes. But I know your perspective is good for our healthies, but eating Kue Lapis while it is something that a must,
Yes, it is must, especially when you visit older house and they will eat again, and they serve a lot of lapis with a lot of variants.
Yes. Being informed about our food choice is very important.
Yes, I know. And the only person who knows about their body is ourselves, right?
Right.
So, how about you? How's your eat going? Do you just like me eating a lot of lapis or not?
Yes, I enjoy a lot of lapis, but after listening to your information, I think I will reduce my lapis in next week.
I think so. We have to consider the good and bad things before doing or eating something.
Yes, you're right.